You know that there are countries in the world which are paying money from their own pockets so that people come and live there. These countries are giving you free money, houses, and even monthly salaries. The only condition is that you have to go and live in these beautiful areas. So Italy comes at number 5, which is famous for its pasta, wine, and history, and now it is paying people to come and live there. Areas like Calabria, Molise, and Sardinia are now completely empty because the youth here have gone to big cities or other countries. To populate these deserted areas, the Italian government is giving £10,000 to £3,000. The only condition is that you should be below 40 years of age and come here and start a small business or do a job. Because the purpose is not just to live here but to repopulate these areas. Spain is at number 4, especially the village of Ponga in Australia. The young people here have moved to big cities like Madrid and Barcelona for better jobs and education, and the old people here are dying, due to which houses are becoming deserted and businesses are closing down. According to Empty Spain plan, those who come to live in Ponga will be given €3,100 per person. If husband and wife come together, they will get double the money, and if the balance is left, they will get more money. A peaceful, traditional and peaceful life away from the hustle and bustle of the city is waiting for you. At number 3 comes Greece and its small island Antikythera. Less than 50 people live on this island located between Crete and Peloponnese. The youth here have left to get jobs and modern life, and as a result, the schools, hospitals, and shops here are about to close. To repopulate this island, the local government and church here are giving €500 per month for 3 months, and along with that, you will also get a free house and land for farming. The only condition is that you have to live here full-time and also become a part of the community. Farmers and construction workers are in special demand here. Japan is at the 2nd place. Japan has the oldest population in the world because its birth rate is the lowest in the world. As these elderly people die or go to homes, their houses become empty, while young people move to big cities, due to which the population of these small areas keeps decreasing and there is no one to buy the house. This is the reason why 80 lakh houses are empty in Japan today, which are called Akiya, which means deserted house. The Japanese government is desperate to populate these areas. Therefore, the Japanese government has announced to give about 40 lakh yuan, i.e. about $3,000, under the Regional Revitalization Program, so that people can buy houses in these rural areas. In some places, the house will be available absolutely free. The only condition is that you repair it and live there. The government will also help you a lot in finding a job, starting a business, and shifting. If you have also dreamed of living in a beautiful area of Japan, then this is your moment. And finally, your number. On the 1st place is Ireland, which has perhaps the most amazing offer, and as per the Living Islands plan, Ireland is ready to give you £84,000 if you live on one of its underpopulated islands. Yes, exactly £84,000. Actually, these islands are very beautiful, but they are very far away and neither ships run here, nor good hospitals, nor internet. Due to which families and young people do not live here, and that is why the population of these islands is continuously falling and they are becoming completely deserted. The purpose of paying so much money is that you buy these old houses and renovate them, because many of these houses are centuries old. But in exchange for all this, you will be able to live in the most beautiful and peaceful places of Europe, where there will be mountains, beaches, and a close community. So, if you have decided to start your life in a new country, then this could be your sign.